This video is all about AirTags. You know, these new little coin-shaped chips that sync with the Apple Find My network so you can track your keys or your backpack or anything else that you might be likely to lose. There are plenty of videos of people demonstrating how AirTags work around their house, but I have yet to see any real-world test with items that were actually lost. So the idea was simple. I was gonna go around my college campus with my friend Colin. He was gonna hide 2 items for me to try and locate, and I was gonna purposely leave 2 AirTags overnight to see if they would be returned or easy to find the next day. I never could have predicted just how real this test would actually turn out to be. This video just took a major turn. It's about 2 miles away right now. That's it. Oh, he's got like a sword in it. I'm not going after it. Yeah. Excuse me, I think I lost that backpack yesterday. But first, a quick word from our sponsor, Elago. Elago sent me some items from their MagSafe collection, and they've quickly become my go-to method for charging my devices. The Charging Hub Duo is a simple way to charge your iPhone and AirPods, or 2 iPhones at the same time. Then there's the MS2 charging stand. This one kind of makes your phone look like it's floating because it magnetically attaches to the MagSafe charger, and I use this one as my nightly bedside charging stand. And finally, my personal favorite is the grip stand. This acts as a little kickstand to prop your phone up and charge it at the same time, and I have this one set up in my kitchen for watching podcasts while I'm cooking. And these are just a few items from the collection. There are many more options and colors to choose from on their website, so you can pick whatever style works best for you. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. Now back to the video. Okay, so the thing about these AirTags is that they have to be in a populated location because they work by pinging off of other people's iPhones. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and leave it here, and hopefully someone will walk by and their iPhone will ping it. But we're gonna leave it here for at least a couple hours.
All right, so the first one of these we're going to hide in some bushes to see if he can find them. Right here. For this next one, we're gonna go high. So we're gonna go in a tree.
Right here.
All right, hanging off that branch.
The black Belkin, we're gonna just leave it right here by the bench. Okay, so it's been about 40 minutes or so since I placed the last AirTag, so I'm gonna open up the Find My app and see if any of them have been located. I had to leave and drop Colin off. He did not tell me where the locations were, but we're gonna pull it up on Find My and hopefully they've been updated. Let's go ahead, go to the Find My app. Okay, so all of the items have at least been located in the past 10 minutes. It looks like that last one that we dropped off by that bench is still there. The backpack is still there as well. And then these other 2 must be the ones that Colin dropped off. So I believe this is the white Belkin AirTag. And then this other one must be the actual Apple leather keychain AirTag. So this is really good news. It's showing that Apple's Find My network is super strong, at least in well-populated areas. So what I'm gonna do right now is go hopefully find the 2 that Colin dropped off earlier. And then we're gonna leave the other 2 maybe overnight, maybe a few more hours, and see if someone picks them up and tries to notify me. Okay, so we pulled up the directions and it basically just pulls up Google Maps, at least when you're further away from the AirTag. Okay, 11 feet, 12 feet away. It's gotta be somewhere right around here. Okay, to my left, there we go. It says it's right in here somewhere. There it is. Okay, so that was actually a lot easier to find than I was expecting. It was hidden pretty well, but the directions were pretty accurate. And as soon as you get within that range where you can activate that accurate location tracker, I gotta figure out what that's actually called. Precision finding is what it's called, and it's compatible with the iPhone 11 and newer. It just makes it super easy. I found it within like 20-30 seconds. Moving on to the next item, we have the Apple keychain. Let's pull up those directions again. And I think this is just headed back the way we just came through. And here you'll see one of the few issues I had with locating my item. When I pulled up directions, it took me all the way across the street, so I headed over there, I was looking for it, and then out of nowhere it just re-updates and has me heading back in a totally different direction. But after it re-updated, it did have the right location. Okay, it looks like it's gonna be right up here. All right, right in front of me. Where is it? And at this point, I didn't think about how I could have just pressed the play sound button, which causes the AirTag to start ringing, and I would have found it within seconds. So I wasted about a minute or so just looking around for it. Okay, 3 feet ahead. Ah, there it is. That's another pretty good hiding spot, but not good enough for AirTags. Yeah, I'm definitely cutting that. Now, I think we're just gonna wait overnight for the next 2 items, and hopefully someone will pick them up and actually think they're lost and try to return them to me. Okay, so this video just took a major turn. This is not what I was expecting at all, but it's looking like that backpack that I left outside might have actually gotten taken. I'm not gonna say stolen yet because I'm not sure if they have any intent to return it, but according to the Find My app, it is it's about 2 miles away right now. It looks like it's at this local park, Santa Rita Park. I've been there before. It's right by where my old apartment used to be. So the plan is to pick up my friend Colin here in about an hour or so and head over there and just kind of scope the place out and see if I can spot the backpack. Thankfully, there's nothing in the backpack of value. It's just the AirTag and the backpack. It's pretty much empty. I'm not a very confrontational person, and if they did take that backpack, you know, maybe they need it more than I do. You can see the last pair of keys that I left overnight are still there. I'm sure if I walked right back to that spot, they'd just be lying next to the bench. So I'll probably just go grab that key real quick and then head over to hopefully find the backpack. Let's go. We're about a mile away and we're just gonna head there and see what's up. I just hope it's still there. For some reason, I've been envisioning like bad ways this might go down.
It's gonna be interesting at least.
It was a very average like tech review and now it's totally shifted. Could be it. Might be just a homeless guy.
It's just one of the homeless guys had it.
Alright, see if you spot it. Here.
Arrive at your destination. Arrived.
Okay, it was last detected right here. Is that it? No, those are pants. I'm gonna do like a loop maybe around the park.
Yeah,
just look for it. That's it, that's it, that's it. Oh, he's got like a sword in it. Did you see it?
No.
He had like a machete in it. It was something with a big handle. I didn't see the blade or anything. That was the most intimidating guy of the bunch. You think I should ask for it?
Oh yeah, for sure.
What if he pulls a knife on me or something?
Drive. Go fast.
So I'm gonna do another loop. Yeah, see the blade in there?
Yeah.
Excuse me, I think I lost that backpack yesterday. You can keep the bag, it's fine, but I have like a little tracking chip on it. See that like little black hanging part?
What do you get those at?
They just came out. It's a new Apple product.
I have a bag back in TV, like it's quite expensive.
It's not. You can keep it, to be honest. No worries at all. You can keep it. Yeah, totally.
You didn't come over earlier, did you?
No, I drove by because I was looking for the bag. No, I didn't come over earlier.
Like a twin brother?
No. Did someone stop by earlier?
It looked like you a little bit.
Oh, no.
It's like a little bit too much.
Oh.
Sure?
Yeah, I didn't stop by earlier. All right, well, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It's not.
AirTag acquired. Mission accomplished. So that's how everything worked out. I'm still not sure what the guy meant by the whole twin brother thing, but at the end of the day, I was able to test the tracking in a real world scenario. I got my AirTag back and that guy got a backpack, so it was a win-win all around. So I know this is kind of a weird roundabout way to come to this conclusion, but the AirTags are pretty great. Because so many people have iPhones that are connected to Find My, it's like you have a constant network of people trying to help you find your item for you. In my opinion, AirTags are definitely more than just a cool demo product and well worth the $29 investment. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.
Overflows, it's